Good morning. Welcome to the K. Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, April 5th, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today's weather is a high of 82, low of 70, cloudy, and a 13% chance of rain.
For breakfast today, we have biscuit chicken patty, fruit choice, juice choice. For today's lunch, sloppy joe, tater tots, salad, juice choice, and fruit choice.
Today's birthday is Avery Grandison. Happy birthday!
AR Superstars. In Miss Arch, we have Deanna Chung, Cedric Clifton, Libby Jones, Gage Morris, Hayden O'Kane, Safari Timmons, and Jamari Williams. In Miss Barnes, we have Naomi Howell, Miss Bolton, Justice Douglas, Michael Johnson, Naomi Knock. In Miss Gardner, Christian Curtis, Michael Breer. In Miss Moore, Nevaeh Davis, Rowan Doe. Miss Sunsdale, Caden Cox, Isaiah Franklin, Avery Grandison, Landon Johnson, Zayden Jones, and Ashton Martin.
Today's announcements, ACAP Summit. We have been so proud of how hard almost all of our students have worked on their ACAP reading test. Most students took their time, focused on their test, and read carefully. Way to go. Now keep it up this week as we begin the math test. Be sure to use that scratch paper as a reminder if you are testing and there are students that test with a small group that are not testing at the same time. Please find a place for them to go before you come to test checkout area. Today's late duty is Miss Garner.
Important days: April 7th, third quarter honor walk; April 14th, Kona Ice and Spring Picnic; April 17th to the 21st, Spring Break No School; April 27th, Archery Field Trip; April 28th, DeBakey Drug Bus; May 1st to the 5th, Book Fair; May 10th, Sunnyside Theater; May 11th, Grad Walk at 10 o'clock; May 16th, Pre-K and Kinder Program at 1; May 17th, Kona Ice.
That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.